Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your fresh and rebel Rockbox Bolt XS speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you need to grab your speaker and find this power button. You have to click and hold it until this indicator turns on. And right now you can release that button. As you can see, after a few moments indicator is blinking, so it means that we can simply pair it with our iOS device. So open the settings, go for the Bluetooth, then turn it on, and now just take a look for the other devices list. Select our speaker, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.